Grass in your stormwater facility plays an important role to filter pollutants. Mowing is necessary from early spring through early fall when the ground is not excessively wet. Grass height should be kept between 4 and 9 inches. Maintaining your stormwater facility's grass requires mowing multiple times throughout the year. Mowing when the ground is excessively wet and in the same pattern repeatedly can cause ruts, which can lead to channeling. This is counted as a defect when your facility is inspected. To prevent ruts, alternate your mowing patterns throughout the year and avoid mowing when the ground is saturated. After mowing, you'll need to remove grass clippings from the bottom of the swale. Grass clippings left in the bottom of the swale will smother and kill the grass. Removing clippings from the swale bottom will also prevent grass clippings from clogging grates and adding sediment. Make sure you remove grass clippings around the inlet and outlet structures for the facility. Contact your local jurisdiction for information about inspections and requirements specific to your stormwater facility.